guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and try to do this dip powder system on my nails. No, I'm not buffing it. I'm not gonna do nothing to it because I want it to come straight off and I want to use what's in the kit. I was gonna put a tip on for you guys, but I chose not to, so we're gonna read how to do this. Of course, it wants you to buff and shape the nail. I'm not gonna do that. Well, I'll just file it. I'll just file a nail, y'all. No biggie. It's not gonna hurt nothing to file it. Alright. Even though you're not supposed to do that, you're supposed to go like this. Save time. Okay. And I'll probably do this finger. But yeah, let me move this up. It's contaminated anyway, so therefore can't use it because once I done drop that on there, it's contaminated. But yeah, anyway. Those, like I told y'all in the last video when I unbox it, I'm not going to use them. But hey, whatever. Now, I couldn't find my little, well, I know where it is. I just don't want to go get it. The little thing that you actually can, use to pour it when you're doing dip. But it's not accessible. Well, I can access it. It's just too far, guys, and I'm being lazy. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I've had a long day of working, and I'm really tired. But I said, let me get on here and do this video. So, it says, file and buff. Apply a thin and uniform coat of base to the nail surface. Quickly dip nails into powder at a 45-degree angle. We're not dipping our nails. That's contamination. We're going to be pouring over the powder. The 45-degree angle and wait 5 seconds. Use a clean brush to remove excess powder down around the nail plate and nail surface. Apply thin layer and uniform. You're still using the base every time. Repeat steps 3 and 4. And then once you finish that and you've built it up, you're going to apply the activator to the nail surface, air dry for 30 seconds. Then repeat step 7. Repeat step 7. So you're going to do it again. Activator twice. Apply a thin coat of top coat on the nail surface. Wait for air dry about 30 seconds. Apply a second coat. So, okay, so the activator and top coat go on twice. All right. Y'all, let's try this out. Okay, what color we want to do? What color y'all want to do? I know y'all's like, girl, if you don't pick a color and let's move on. And because I may be giving this set away, because like I tell you, I don't do this. I'm going to just keep this and put it back in the box. And I just use one of my brushes I already have. And that's another reason why I'm not dipping my finger in it. Because I don't know if I'm going to like doing dip. And this may be part of a giveaway. So I'm going to put this back in the box. Let's figure out a color that I want to do that you guys probably can actually see. And if I don't like it, you probably be like, okay, no biggie. Let's try this blue. No biggie that, you didn't like it. Okay, so let me find something to dump, a clean container to dump it in. Excuse how my chair sounds. Y'all know I sit in this chair all the time. And I might get one of these model ones as well to see if it, this is the Model 1 acrylic powder. I want to know if it works with regular powder as well. So let me just put that over there too. Hold on, y'all. Let me find something to dip it in because I don't feel like going in that thing to get my little bucket. All right. So the cuticle push I'm also put back in the box because I have plenty of those. Multiple implements is what you're supposed to have when you have clients. Okay, so I got me a spoon to dip. Got me a brush to dust off. These are going in the trash, so I'm not going to put them back in the box for whoever may get it if I don't like dip. So, hey, I got another dip system that I'm going to be getting as well. That's cheaper from Temu. Well, not cheaper, about the same. From Temu, just to see the difference. Got this little cup. We're going to even see if it catches. If not, it just would be powder wasted. It's okay. Let me see if I can zoom y'all in a little bit. Y'all know how to zoom in go. All right, I done tried. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, so let's begin. Yeah, I'll be surprised. I didn't really like dip when I was doing it in school. So I didn't do it often at all. The other girlies did. They love doing dip. Me, nope. I don't want to do it. And it doesn't say how many times. I'm guessing you probably do it twice as well. And my spoon is a little bit too big. Can y'all see that? Yeah, look how I missed that whole side over there. I don't even think I put anything over there. Let's see. Did I? No. Already a fail. Okay, let's try again. So, am I waiting 5 seconds? 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi. All right, let's go. Next coat. And this time, get the side. Can y'all see? I know y'all tired of me asking if y'all could see. Y'all like, girl, let's go ahead. Let me get that off my skin. Because basically, y'all know this base is basically, what is it? Let me see if y'all can see. It's basically, nail glue. From what I've been taught. Don't know how true that is. But I've been told it's just basically nail glue. Okay. 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Y'all, I don't know how much time I'm supposed to do this. And look at I miss a spot again. Gotta pay attention. I'm missing the spot. Okay, let's do it one more time to get that spot. But we're gonna do it over the whole nail, of course. And maybe I'm not putting enough on there because I really don't want this to last on my nail. But we're gonna go ahead and put it over there and get it off my skin. Get that off my skin. Get it off. Okay. Trying to make sure y'all can see. And sides. This little dapping too is collecting a good amount. And I can see my nail getting built. Okay, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Okay, now, so, now it says I can dust this off, I believe now. Okay, so, can y'all see that? I know it looks horrible, I wonder how. It's not heavy or nothing under my nail. It caught a good bit of it, y'all. So, that condition not too shabby. Clean this on out. Because we're going to be doing Model 1's regular click to see what really is the difference. Okay. So, we finished this one. Next, it says we dust off. Now we apply a coat of activator. Let me close that so it doesn't dry out while I'm doing this. Steps. Go to air dry for 30 seconds. So let me get a good bit of activator. It doesn't really seem like nothing's on here. I can smell it though. See, I don't really feel like there's anything on here. I don't know. Got some on my skin. Y'all counting? Because I sure wasn't counting this now. Let me count to 10. I get 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi. And I know I probably moved too fast. Y'all gotta forgive me. When I get tired, I do all kind of extra stuff. Okay, one more time for activator. And then we'll move on to model 1 to see. Y'all, if I don't get this corner. All right. So that's 2. And I want to do 30 seconds for air drying. That's 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Hold on, let me just come back. All right. Time for base coat. And they say base coat, you do it for a minute. Top coat. Top coat is twice for a minute. We only gonna do it once. Okay. So that is done. Now, let's get to model 1. So let's see if this works for model 1. Okay. We're gonna just repeat the steps we did and just see if regular acrylic can be used as dip powder, which I believe it can. But let me not get my hopes up, y'all, because see, I don't know. They say this thing is like, come on now. They say this is like having, what is it called? Using nail glue, but I'm not too sure how accurate that is, so I'm not even gonna tell y'all that, and I'm not 100% sure. So that's 1, and it says wait, what? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm gonna dust it off because I think I wasn't dusting it off before. Oh, some more. I think I evenly spread this one better this time around. Y'all seeing that good? Once again, didn't get the side. Come on now. This one, when I'm doing this with this powder, it got a little smell. And I'm definitely not. And I don't use these model ones that often. My thing is too big for this. I'm just gonna put it on my nail, y'all. Don't worry about it. This paper towel is clean. Nobody used it. And I didn't get that corner over there. I'm shaking up the table. Keep on, girl. Keep calm. I did not get the corner. Okay. Let's see. Boom, boom. That's off. Look at me. Look at me. Didn't get it. See? That's why I stick to acrylic. Well, this is acrylic, duh, but still. Come on, y'all. Let's get it right this time. Let's get it right this time. It has a smell with this one. I didn't smell the smell with the other powder. Can y'all see? Because I'm just spreading away. Come on. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I'm not supposed to be dusting this right now. Oh well. we put 3 coats on there, and I'm not going to put that back in there. That's where I messed up and put this back in here, and you're not supposed to. So this won't be going back in that because it's contaminated. This goes in the trash. You don't put old back in there. Okay, so let's get this off of here. Okay, so it looks like, y'all, don't blame it on the powder. I just didn't apply it right. Okay, so let's close this up and do the other steps really quick, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I done clean up a bit, move stuff out the way. Gonna use this little file. Y'all hear that? That means it is set. I'm guessing you're to file after and shape, whatever. These files are horrible. What's that? Y'all know what? That one is ready as well. I'm wondering, was I supposed to... Hold on, I'm going to look back at the thing. Was I supposed to file this before I put the top coat on? Because it is bulky, and I don't like that. Hold on. No. Don't say nothing about, like, only file your rear nail, not file the surface. Smoother. No. So it doesn't tell you to file the product. That kind of sucks. The version next step. Top must be applied quickly to avoid drying. At the brush of the okay, so evidently you have to make sure you're applying this properly and evenly, or you're gonna have a bulky nail because it does not tell me how to. See, it's done, like nothing comes off, but you gotta shape this because y'all, this is bulky and bumpy and lumpy all on my sidewall. Like, yeah, so that's my test. I mean, to be honest, I think this was user error because I didn't do it properly, but still it comes out, you know, like an overlay. But I don't know about the shaping and molding. But I'm going to try it again one day. It won't be one day soon. I don't think I'm into dip. So if I don't try it again, 9 times out of 10, and this one I already told y'all is not going to go in there because I poured the old one back. But if 9 times out of 10 is going to be part of a giveaway, y'all, because I'm not really into dip. I just tried that and I don't like it. That's my son who knows I'm recording, and he needs to be sitting down, y'all. Sorry about that. But this right here may not be. This may be a part of a giveaway because I'm not about to go through all this for dip. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm tired, but I'm going to show y'all the nails again. Maybe I chose the wrong nails, y'all. That's how they look. This is model 1, which is a regular acrylic powder. This is the actual acrylic powder that came with the dip powder that came with the kit. So looks like you can use regular acrylic to do dip as well, as long as you have these, which is the base, activator, top coat. So that's it, y'all. Talk to y'all later.